Hi there. So this is our factory automation demo in Automate 2026. So what we are doing here is we've kept a headlight assembly of a car, and then we are going to do wire harness routing. So we are using our camera, Rizon 3D vision camera here. This camera is specially made for wire harness and kind of routing kind of applications. So what it's going to do is it's going to see the connector with its 3D vision, and then it's gonna what orientation it is in, then go to that particular gripping coordinate, pick it up, and then insert. So while inserting, it will use Flexiv's force sensing to make sure that the insertion is done properly, and then it does a full test as well to just a double check so as to confirm the insertion. So that's why we use force sensing here. Thank you very much.